Hey everyone, Zed at Are You Cars. Today we've got this 2011 Honda Accord. It's a ES GT, 2.2 Idtec, 2.2 diesel anyway. It's finished in graphite grey. It's done 87,000 miles. Got 7 services with it. Comes with the standard new MOT, warranty, service, etc. Just had 2 new tyres. It's in very nice condition really, considering it's 13 years old. A few stone chips to the front, but nothing catastrophic. No big scuffs or anything like that. All your wheels are in excellent condition. Bodywork, as I say, very good. There are 1 or 2 small marks on it, but yeah, really good. More than happy to retail this. It's got your privacy glass, it's got the premium audio, it's got your sat nav, reverse camera. Just there, look. Got your number plate for any checks you wish to carry out. No big dings. Yeah. Nice car. Drives very well. Inside it's got the black part leather. We'll show you that in a second. We'll just show you the boot to begin with. As you can see, we've got the load cover and your floor mats. And the boot is all clean and tidy, no funny smells. As I say, it's got the premium audio. Inside, we've got the black part leather with the Isofix in the back. The interior is very nice in this one. It's got the Isofix, 3 proper seat belts and the armrest with rear electric windows. Same again in the front. Ignore that in the centre of the seat, it's not a stain or anything, it's just the camera. I don't know why, but our camera does not like fabric interiors. They're all very clean seats. Folding mirrors. Your switch gear is really good. You've got the 3-spoke steering wheel with the Bluetooth controls, cruise control, etc. 6-speed manual. Start the car, show you the mileage. You see there's no warnings or anything. All starts up perfectly. Just fuel for your warning. There you go, 87,459 on the miles. You'll see all the lights illuminated and went out as they should. In the centre, we've got your navigation. There you go. If it's loaded enough to zoom in yet. Oh, gone the wrong way. There you go. Also, your radio, media, and auxiliary. I'm not sure how you work it. But yeah, auxiliary input CD, FM, AM radio with Bluetooth for your telephone. Dual climate control. Just there, look. All the centre, very nice. 6 CD changer in the centre there. All marked. Your auxiliary and USB inputs just there. And the armrest. Big glove box. And that's about it. Overall, very, very, very good example considering it has done 87,000 miles. Priced it to sell. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.